Installing a processor. Hold both sides of the processor and align the triangular mark on the processor with the beveled corner on the processor socket. Gently lower the processor evenly into the socket. Close the processor retainer and push the handle to the locked position. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should consist of about 0.1 milliliters of thermal grease. Align the 4 screws on the heatsink with the corresponding screw holes on the system board. Partially fasten screw 1. Fully fasten screw 2. Fully fasten screw 1. Partially fasten screw 3. Fully fasten screw 4. Fully fasten screw 3. Install the air baffle. Install the top cover.